Meter is a project that I think will do really well in the bull market. I did a video explaining what it was. Now I'm going to show you how you can make passive income by staking the Meter governance token. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. If you like passive income and you like earning extra yield on your cryptocurrency, you're going to love this channel. Make sure you subscribe to it and drop a like on this video. I really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, we're going to be on meter.io. If you don't know what this project is, I'll leave the link to the video where I explain it in the description of this video. Okay, for this, we're going to be on meter.io. There's a couple of different things we need to do to prepare to stake our MTRG tokens, and one of them is to add the Meter network to your MetaMask. The easiest way to do that is to go to chainlist.org, and you just kind of type in whatever network you want, and you can add it to your MetaMask wallet. I'll type in Meter here, and it'll come up, and then you just connect your wallet and then add that chain to your MetaMask wallet. Once you have the Meter network added to your MetaMask, then you're going to have to get some MTRG tokens. You can go to KuCoin, Gate.io, or Mex Global. Once you have the MTRG tokens, you're going to need some MTR tokens for gas. So we'll go up here to swap for gas, and what you can do is come up here, go to Meter governance, and then you can swap for the Meter stable, which is the gas token for Meter. The swap for gas is a gasless transaction, so you can swap MTRG for MTR without having any MTR, but the other transactions that you do on the network are going to use the MTR token for gas. If we look at this overview for staking, the prerequisites we need are a minimum of 100 MTRG tokens and some Meter MTR for transaction fees, which we already got. Yes, it does. It's 100 minimum MTRG to stake. There's other ways to get funds onto the Meter web wallet. There's a C14 fiat to Meter. Depends on what country you're in, whether or not you can do that. There also is a bridge that you could bridge different assets. The easiest way I found was to just buy the MTRG token on KuCoin, send that over to the Meter to your MetaMask wallet with the Meter network in it, and then swap for gas like I showed you here, where you just go to Meter governance and swap over to the MTR token for future transactions, gas fees. Okay, once we have Meter networked in our MetaMask wallet and we have the MTRG token sent over from KuCoin, and then we have our MTR gas tokens in our wallet for the gas fees, then we're going to go ahead and click on where it says staking. And once we do that, it's going to give us some different candidates to stake to. We're going to see some different categories here, and I'm going to go over real quick what those categories are. If you take a look here, it says candidate name. Obviously, that's the name of the candidate which you would stake with. The address of running the node is the next section. Commission is the portion of the staking rewards that will be withheld for providing the staking service. The total votes is the total MTRG that has been staked or delegated on the candidate. An end voter is the number of buckets, each of minimum 100 MTRG tokens that have been staked on the candidate. A couple of important things to know is that you can stake incremental MTRG tokens once you have your initial 100 staked. It says you could vote more, which MTRG enables users to add more MTRG to the existing vote ID. This may be done for one of the below reasons. The user does not have additional 100 MTRG to meet the threshold to create a new vote ID, and the user adds staking rewards periodically to existing vote ID to compound staking rewards. So Once you have your initial 100 stake, you can add to that. And they're just showing the prerequisites as the same as your initial vote stake to get a vote ID is 100 MTRG tokens. A couple more things is the lock period is 1 week. So you have to be in it 1 week before you can unstake. And then you have to do what they call unbound. You hit that, you go here, it says a 1 week lock period. So you have to unbind your tokens and then wait a week to get them out. All right, let's run through the frequently asked questions really quick. It says, where do I stake on Meter mainnet? It says web staking with MetaMask on staking.meter.io. What is the staking APY? That's a really good question. They give you the formula here. And annual inflation and staking ratio is available on scan.meter.io homepage. As of this time here, this was June 27th, 2022. It says that the average staking rewards was 10.35%. How long can you stake? Staking is non-custodial and user can stake as long as they wish. Stake tokens are locked. The tokens can be unlocked through the unbound process in 1 week. How much meter is required for staking transactions? Around 0.3 meter should suffice for over 8 to 10 staking transactions. I do not have meter for transaction fees. Is there a faucet? Meters can perform gasless swap on Meter mainnet, which I showed you that before. The wallets that you can use are MetaMask and Wallet Connect, and the application is the Meter desktop wallet. Okay, if you want to go check out the staking APY, we're going to go to scan.meter.io. It's got a bunch of different information here. It's got the price of the MTRG token, the price of the MTR token, the meter and circulation, block time, address count. Down here, the staking APY is currently 11.02%, which is amazing in my opinion, especially for this project. The low amount of tokens, total supply. I think this is going to do really good in a bull market. If we go to the staking, basically what you do is you pick out whatever stake candidate you want. Commissions, I usually go with the lowest commission. If you hit vote, then you will add the amount here. If I put 1 in, it's going to say you need to have over 100, equal to or over 100. Then you're just going to go ahead and hit submit, and you have to make sure you have MTR in your wallet to cover the gas fees. As it goes through, it'll show your locked MTRG on this page here. And then if you go to auction, then it'll show where your rewards are and when the next epoch ends. It goes by epochs like a lot of the other staking protocols. This particular one right now ends in 14 hours. Let's take a quick look at the price action for the MTRG, the Meter Governance Token. It's currently at $2.09. A little bit of a pullback going on tonight. 100 tokens would be a little over $200 to get into the staking protocol. That's all I have today for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.